Find the equation for the ellipse that satisfies the given conditions, where we have the center at the origin, major axis is on the y-axis, and it passes through those 2 points. First thing is we need to imagine how the graph would be. Yes, it would be something like this. So here we have things at origin, and we have 2 points, 1,6 and 3,2. These two are on the correct ellipse. Now, basically, to write an equation of ellipse, what do you need? Yes, we'll need A and B. So these are basically two unknowns. And for two unknowns, what is that we are looking at? Two equation. And where will we get the two equation? Think about it. It's not that hard. Yes, we will get it from the equation of ellipse itself. Okay. So let's start the answer. Say we can start here itself. So equation of ellipse whose major axis is along y axis, and why am I telling axis? Okay, so that would be x square by b square, right? Plus a square by, not a square, my bad, y square by a square. And this entire thing is equal to 1. Now, let's substitute x comma y as 1,6. This is given. So we have x square by, this is, oh sorry, in place of x we are substituting 1 b square plus 6 square by a square, that would be equal to 1. Next, we can multiply throughout with, see, these are indirectly linear equation in two variables. Yeah, they have a power of square, but we can reduce it to be so, or we can directly do this. What I mean is this. If I multiply this, what will happen? Here we'll end up with a square. Here we'll end up with 36b square. And here we'll end up with a square into b square. Right? So that we can call it as 1. Next, let's substitute x comma y as 3,2. So this is given. And so we have 9 by b square plus 4 by a square, which is equal to 1. And again we'll multiply with a square and b square. So what we have here is 9 a square plus 4b square is equal to a square b square. And this is 2 and this is 1. So how will we go over doing this? We can, again, thinking of elimination method. So I can multiply throughout with this with 9, right? And what will we get? I think did I substitute it? No, it's correct. So I can multiply the equation 2 with 9. And I'm going to subtract with 1. So basically this would be 81 a square plus, and this would be 81 a square. So this would be what, guys? This would be 36 b square, and this is 9 a square b square. And the other one is just to be copied, nothing is changed over there, plus a square plus 36b square, and this entire thing is equal to a square b square. So as you can see, we can get the answer without converting the non-linear equation to linear equation. So clearly this will get cancelled, and we have this to be 80a square because there is a 1 over there, and this is clearly 8a square b square. So matter of cancellation, and we are done. We're almost there. 8's 10's a square and a square, and we have b is equal to plus or minus root of 10. So we have b, and then we need a. So we can get that with any one of this equation. I'll go with this, substituting in 1, substituting b square is equal to 10 in 1. So basically this would be a square plus 36 into 10 is equal to 10a square. And then we have a bit of rearranging. So this is 1, I'll transpose. So that will be 9a square is equal to 36 into 10. So as you can see, I'm not multiplying because I can do this. So again, we have a square is equal to 40. Anyways, we need a square in the equation, so let's not take root and all of that. So basically we'll end up with equation of ellipse as x square by 10 plus y square by 40 is equal to 1.